All right, guys, this week we're going to be talking about appositives. So get out your paper, your pencil, and we're going to be talking about why appositives are positive. You might be asking me, why do I need to know appositives? The main reason is because appositives help writers make their sentences more clear by adding information about the nouns in that sentence. Here's a good definition for an appositive. Go ahead and write this down in your notes. An appositive is a noun or a noun with modifiers, which are other describing words, that follows another noun or pronoun to give additional information. Take a few minutes, write this down in your notes. Writers use appositives to give detail to their sentences, just like painters use color to give detail to a painting. Let's look at some examples. The first one says, Miss Bauman, a teacher at West Middle, loves soccer, the best competitive sport. So here we have our first noun is Miss Bauman. We have some additional information, which is a teacher at West Middle. That is our appositive. We also in this sentence have another noun, which is soccer. More information is the best competitive sport. Go ahead and look at number 2. Number 2 says the puppy, a golden retriever, snuggled with the teddy bear. In your notes, go ahead and write down which words are the appositives. All right, let's look at number 3. Mr. Rogers, the former baseball player, loves grammar. Go ahead and write the appositive for number 3. What information is giving additional information to a noun? In order to punctuate our appositives, we need to use commas. So here it says, commas, a common punctuation mark, are used to separate the appositive from the rest of the sentence. You should be able to take an appositive away from the sentence and still have the sentence make sense. Commas are used to separate the appositive from the rest of the sentence. When you can do that, you need to use your commas to separate the appositive. Now it's your turn. On your paper, write the following sentences. Add an appositive phrase to each. Remember, you need to find the noun that you want to give additional information about. You need to write that additional information, and you need to separate that away from the sentence with commas. Number 1 says, the shark ate the seal. Pick the noun you want to give more information about. Number 2, the city was filled with tall buildings. Add an appositive to that phrase. And then you can add an appositive to Denver is the home of the Denver Broncos. All right, you got one last task. You need to think of your favorite hobby, sport, or activity. We would like for you to write a short, interesting description, but you need to try and include at least 3 appositives. Underline your appositives so that you know where they are when you come to class on Monday. And remember, 7 Blue rocks!